Welcome back to another Bargain Savage video, and today I have for you these Maxell jellies. Now these earbuds I bought for $3.99 on clearance. They have a built-in mic, and they don't have much else on the box, so we're going to get into it. This will bring us to Cheap Earbuds Extravaganza 3-9. Says Maxell has a lifetime warranty. Cable's fairly thin. TRRS jack. Has one button on the mic there, little hole. Where the mic runs in. Now, on the back of these are actually marked on the fronts, left and right. It's one of the first pair that I've tested that actually looks like they have an open back. So that's kind of neat. We'll get a little different sound. They're called jellies, but I mean they're pretty soft rubber, but they're definitely not jelly. Let's see what they sound like. Well, first let's do a comfort fit test. These do not go in my ears. Like, at all. So the fit in my ears is absolute garbage. Like, yeah. I know they're not going to sound very decent because they're not making a very good seal. Here we go. Okay, so, you know, it's shame. It's a shame because they sound pretty good. Like, actually, for $3.99, they are very good sounding if you hold them in your ears, because they will not make a seal in my ears. Now, your mileage may vary, but in my ears, these things will not stay in place, which is very unfortunate because they do sound good. They got really good low-end bass. As soon as you let go of them, though, then your seal goes away, and it's just hollow. It goes to nothing. Well, not nothing, but your bass goes to nothing, and then you still have all of the highs in there and the mid-range and stuff, but it just completely takes away your bass line. So very unfortunate that they designed them like this, because I'm pretty sure if they were in ear with like a rubber, I don't even know what to call them, ear cap, rubber ear cap, and they went inside your ears, these would sound very good. But because they designed them like this, I can't recommend these things at all. They are garbage. Now, maybe if you had the perfect sized ear for these, they would be all right for you. For me, these are absolute junk. Out of here. Gonzo, not even going to test the microphone in them because I don't even care. They're garbage. To me, they're no good. Anyway, if you appreciated this video, then please like and subscribe. And maybe check out the other videos in the Earbuds Extravaganza video series. And have yourself a great day. Thanks for watching.